Please welcome to the stage, Cabaret Latte.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel.
You know, when my energy levels are low, I just repeat these words to myself. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand. You take me by the heart when you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. Oh, what you do, Mickey, don't break my heart, Mickey. I hear you call my name, and it feels like when you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees, I want to take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there.
I hear your voice. It's like an angel sighing. I have no choice. I hear your voice. Feels like flying.
I see a little silhouette of the man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me.
Galileo, 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 Figaro.
Magnifico.
Oh, I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me.
He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Spare him his life from this monstrosity.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go?
Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go.
Let me go.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia.
Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me, for me, for me.
Now, if you're wondering why that song was familiar, it's the Flower Duet from Delibes' opera Lakmé.
Yes, but most of you would know it from the British Airways ad.
Like the lights, we got nothing to hit but the heights.
I can tell. Wait and see.
There's a bell, follow me.
And nothing's gonna stop us till we're through. Honey, everything's coming up. Everything's coming up. Everything's coming up. Roses for me and for you.
Do I know that?